To transfer money to Cash App from your debit card, follow these steps. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. If you don't have the app installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Link your debit card. If you haven't linked your debit card to Cash App, go to the Banking or My Cash tab and add your debit card information. Follow the prompts to complete the linking process. Initiate a transfer. In the Cash App, find and tap on the Cash and BTC or Send Money icon. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Select recipient. Choose the recipient from your contacts or enter their hashtag or phone number. Choose debit card as the funding source. Before confirming the transfer, make sure your linked debit card is selected as the funding source. You can switch between linked accounts if needed. Add a note. You can add a note or message related to the transfer if desired. Confirm the transfer. Review the details of the transfer and tap the Pay or Send button to confirm. Authenticate the transaction. Depending on your settings, you may need to enter your Cash App PIN or use Touch ID or Face ID to authenticate the transaction. Wait for processing. The recipient will receive the funds instantly, and you will see a confirmation on your Cash App.